Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. In our previous video, we started exercise 2.1 of constructing expression and we completed question number 1 and question number 2. So in this video, we will start with question number 4 and we will not solve question number 3 as question number 3 is an activity based question. So we'll move forward to question number 4. In question number 4, they are saying there's a part of pilot's homework. Homework is that the question given in that homework is work out the value of each expression. You have to work out the values of expression in which x is given as -3 and y is given as -2. So you have to check is these answers are correct or not. So by putting the values of x and y, as the value of x is -3 and the value of y is -2. So by putting the value of x as -3, by taking the square of -3 should be +9, not -9. That's why it will be +9, and the -2 into -3 into -2 will be +6. So -3 into -2 will be +6, +9 and +6 will make the answer 15. So the correct answer is 15, not -3. Okay. And in part B, by putting the value of y and x, -2 cube should be -8, not +8, because a cube of a negative number is always negative, and -6 into -3 is -18, and -2 you can cancel this minus with this 18 minus, and this minus will be by multiplying with 9 will make it -9. So 8 minus 9, sorry, -8 and -9 will make -11. So the answer of expression B is -11. No, not -1. So we are done with question number 4. Now we'll move to question number 6. Copy and complete the working to find the value of each expression when m is equal to 2 and p is equal to -4. So by solving this expression where we are putting the value of m as 2 and the value of p as -4, according to BidMaths rule, we should follow the rules and multiply first. By multiplying 2 with -4, the answer will be -8. Okay, so 8 minus 2 minus 8 will be -6, and by multiplying 4 with -6, our answer will be -24. So the answer of part A will be -24. Let me correct it. It will be -24. So in part B, the expression is p cube minus 3 into m into p. So the value of p is -4, the value of m is 2, and the value of p is -4. The cube of 4 will be -64, and by multiplying -3 with 2 it will be -6, and -6 multiplied by -4 will be +24. So by adding -64 and 24, we have different signs. We will subtract them, but the sign of bigger value, which is minus. So our answer will be -40. Okay. Expression number C. By solving 4 over -4 over 2 bracket 5 plus -4 power cube, first we can easily solve this 4 and 2. 4 divided by 2 is -2, and the -4 cube will be a cube of a minus will always minus, so the answer will be -64. The cube of a negative number is always negative. So by solving 2 raised to power 5, it will be -32, because it's an odd number power. -32 -64 Our answer will be minus 96. Okay, so done. So we are done with question number 6, and I'll complete the other parts of other questions of this exercise in the next video. Thank you.